In this video we're going to talk about this portable ceramic garage heater from NewAir. What's up everybody, I'm Andrew. This is my YouTube channel Touring Midwest, where we highlight the Midwest from a biker's perspective. So whether you're into motorcycles, I've got a 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra, or you just want to know where to find the best burgers, brews, and things to do and see in the area, hit that subscribe button and we'll get on with this video. I've been using this little heater for a little while. I haven't been using it for about the last week because I have another garage heater that I've been testing. But I've been using this for the last month or so prior to this week, and I feel like I'm ready to kind of give you my thoughts on it. So we're going to get into it. This is a 1500 watt, 120 volt, 5120 BTU portable garage heater. It's pretty lightweight, pretty compact. It's a nice looking heater, solid unit. There's a lot I really like about this heater. It's adjustable, kind of point it up or down, kind of get the heat directed where you need it to a little bit. Now this is supposed to cover about 160 square feet, and my garage is a little over 200 square feet. But I will say I was using it when it was about 20-30 degrees outside, and it was keeping it very comfortable in here, and sometimes too hot. I could not have it on the highest setting. I had to turn it down and just kind of maintain that temperature. Right now it's about 10 degrees outside. I had this running for a couple, 2-3 hours, probably 3-4 hours now, and I feel like it's kind of struggling to keep up. My garage is under my house, but it doesn't hold heat very well. It just really struggles to hold heat, and the temperature does drop fairly fast when there's nothing being produced. It's dropped about 3 degrees or so in the last little while that I've had the heat shut off. I've got this shut off right now because for the beginning of the video I didn't want the noise and all that, but I am going to turn it on so you can hear it. It's not very loud. It does make some fan noise because it's forced air, but you know, I've had a buddy over for coffee Saturday mornings and we hang out down in the garage and we've had this running, and it hasn't been overpowering. You know, we can communicate and talk and whatever. It doesn't really bother us. I've been super happy with this, and like I say, if it's like, you know, 15-20 degrees, 30 degrees, this is gonna keep your space really warm, especially if you stay in that 160 square foot area, small garage or small shop. You're going to be good to go with this. Sub-zero temperatures, I feel like it's going to struggle a little bit depending on the area that you're trying to heat. Like I said, it's a little bit underpowered for this area, and also the fact that my garage is just not insulated that well. It looks nice. It looks nice, but for some reason I lose a lot of heat down here. So, but yeah, it has been working really well. So I've kind of gone over the main features a little bit. It's got a temperature setting here on the left side if you're looking at it towards the back, and then it has basically 3 settings here, well, 4 settings: off, fan, low heat, high heat. So the idea is, when you first set it up, you want to crank this thing up full blast, wait till it gets to the temperature where you feel like it's comfortable, and then you can kind of start turning down the temperature until it shuts off. At that point it's going to maintain that temperature and just shut off and start up as needed. So very nice little unit. Like I said, super lightweight, portable, take it with you, move it from room to room, whatever you've got going on. I think it's going to be a pretty good heater. It's pretty good price. Right now it's $79.99 I think on NewAir's website. You can use my promo code Midwest and get a little bit of discount off of there. I think it's about 15%. So that's going to save you a little bit of money. I'll have the link and everything down in the description below so you can check all that out. I'm going to crank this up all the way so you can kind of hear how loud it is. This is full blast, and the mic is actually right here, so pretty much right above the unit. So we'll see what it picks up. That's full blast. That's as loud as this thing is going to be. I run this thing on high heat ever since I got it. That's what I've been running it on. So high heat, temperatures all the way cranked up, and like I said, turn it down until it stops. And this is the temperature that it's going to maintain. Temperature drops, it's going to kick back on. Very nice little unit. I like it. I'm really happy with it so far. Like I said, I'm kind of testing out sort of the big brother to this. I have a 240 volt that I'm kind of playing around with right now. See how that goes, and maybe I'll do a review on that one down the road a little bit. If anybody's interested, you can let me know down in the comments below. So I'm going to turn this back up a little bit and keep things warm in here. I'm going to crank it all the way up because I don't like being cold, and it is pretty chilly outside. So hey, that's a quick look at this little portable ceramic 120 volt garage heater, standard plug-in outlet thingy, whatever, you know. There you go. So hey, if you guys like this video, if you appreciate this kind of content, I'm just trying to keep you warm, guys. Trying to help you out. It's cold up here in the Midwest. Give me a big thumbs up. If you thought it was stupid, you can give it a thumbs down, whatever. I'm good with that as well. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. And when you do, ring that bell. That's going to keep you up to date and notified every time I upload a new video or go live, and I don't think you want to miss that. If you'd like to see another video from me, you can do so right now by hitting this box right here. It's going to be a playlist more than likely. I like to put playlists there. And down here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. That's about it, guys. That's all I've got for you tonight. Stay safe out there as always. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you next time right here on Touring Midwest.